Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to install your Always Mobile eSIM on an iPhone. We're using an iPhone 14 Plus in this video. If you're using a different model, the menu might be slightly different, but you should get the gist of it. Okay, let's get started. Open the email that you received from Always Mobile with the subject line starting Your New eSIM. Then, scroll down to the QR code. You will need to scan this code into the device to begin the installation. There are 3 different ways to scan the QR code on your iPhone. We'll show you all 3, starting with using the camera on your phone to scan the QR code. Open the camera app on your iPhone and point it at the QR code. Then click on the yellow link that will appear on your screen. Click Activate. Then select Data Only and follow the remaining prompts. It's now installed. The second method we'll review is installing the eSIM from your phone's settings. From the home screen, click on Settings. Then click Cellular. Click on Add eSIM. Click Use QR Code. Scan the QR code and then follow the steps as outlined in method number 1. The third and final method is how to install your eSIM when you're viewing the QR code email on your iPhone. Open the QR code email on your iPhone. Click and hold the QR code until a menu appears and then click Open. On the next screen, scroll down to the installation section and click QR code. Then click and hold the QR code, then click Add eSIM, then click Activate. Your eSIM is now installed on your iPhone. It is important to note that if you are not yet at your destination, your eSIM will not activate. It only activates when it connects to the local network at your destination. Some phones will show an error message saying the eSIM could not activate. This is okay and normal. Simply set the eSIM to off until you arrive, then switch it on. Your eSIM will reach out to the local network, activate, and connect you.